Hey, Scout, what's that down yonder?
I don't know. Looks like a dog.
It looks sick.
Should probably go tell Calpurnia.
Let's go.
Calpurnia, there's a dog out there and it looks sick and...
Are you boys fibbing to me again?
No, ma'am.
Alright, let's go take a look. Oh, looky here, there is a dog. We should go call Sheriff Tate. Oh, it's another dog.
It's gonna...
Let me call Sheriff Tate. Yes, Sheriff Tate, this is Calpurnia. Yes, at the Finch home. Yes, there's a mad dog on the road. Alright, thank you.
Where's the dog?
Down yonder by Boo Badley's home.
Alright, I got it. I'll handle this. Stay inside! Mr. Finch,
Yes?
I'd be grateful if you took the shot.
I haven't took a shot in years, but okay.
No, movie not continue.
Go tell Calpurnia.
Yeah, let's go get Calpurnia.
Let's go. I really don't want to do this right now.
Hey, Scout, what's that down there?
I don't know, it's like, I think it's a dog.
3, 2, 1, action, take 3.
Alright.
Trick or treat.
Don't do it.
Took an hour and a half. Nope.
We got a mad dog on the loose. Over at my place. Alright. Ah!
Fine, leave it.
Serious turned on.
We gotta...
Sheriff Tate, there's a mad dog on the loose. Calpurnia. You know, Atticus's... Yes, this is Calpurnia.